Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are your heels tired? Mine are. I spend all day on my feet every day, so I really need extra comfort and support. These are heel cushions or heel pads from YogaMedic, and they fit in a variety of different shoes, and I find myself reaching for them more and more, whether I'm going to exercise, if I'm just working around my house, or if I have to go to work. They do not slip around inside my shoe. They have this adhesive back to them, so they definitely stay in place, and my foot does not slide around. It's well supported in this raised cup, but they fit inside a variety of different shoes, extremely flexible and very comfortable. So I am a size 10 and these fit me well, and I feel like my heel sits well inside the cup. Even if I'm wearing my ballet flats, these do not move around. I actually forget that they're there, but they give me that all day comfort and support that my heel really needs. So if you are spending a ton of time on your feet, no matter the shoe, you are gonna really love these cushioned pads for your heel. You get 2 pair in the set, so 4 pieces, and they work on left or right, so it doesn't matter which one. They're really versatile. And that is my point of view.